Now we're going to talk about a few oils that may not be self-explanatory because they are blends. So instead of just a bowl of green beans, we're getting a casserole, and you may not be sure exactly what's in it. So then you got to read the ingredients. So Citrus Fresh is one of the blends that is in the Wellness Toolbox. And this is amazing for freshening stale air. So think about how the house smells after cooking bacon in the morning, or after our husbands come back from playing some b-ball, or that area where we store our shoes, or anyway, all kinds of possibilities for sure. I actually love to diffuse a combination of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It's just a really nice, wonderful smell. And the other day I went to go make it, and I was like, wait a minute. I've got Citrus Fresh, which is lemon and mint together. I think it's spearmint, to be sure. And so I just used this with a little bit of lavender. So I'm all about simplifying the steps, okay? So Citrus Fresh is fabulous. It's a citrus casserole to make your house smell fab. That's self-explanatory.